Did you know that a regular car assembly line finishes a brand new vehicle every few minutes? But what happens when a billionaire wants a supercar that nobody else on Earth can buy? Most people think a custom car just gets a new coat of paint and some fancy wheels. They think it is just a cosmetic upgrade that takes a few days. But they are completely wrong. Deep inside Porsche's secret Zuffenhausen workshop, the factory robots are turned off. There are no fast assembly. Instead, master German craftsmen spent thousands of hours building just one single car. They re-engineer parts from scratch. They stitch leather by hand. They create an unrepeatable masterpiece for a single global collector. This is a level of engineering that normal car owners have never seen before. It is secretive, expensive, absolutely insane. If you stay with me until the very end of this video, I will show you the exact price tag of this build, and reveal the secret custom detail hidden inside the engine bay that Porsche never talks about. Let us step inside the workshop. The custom journey does not start with fancy leather seats. It starts inside a quiet lab. This lab feels like a high-tech chemistry set. The regular assembly line does not use these special colors. But for this This section completely overcomes that concern. When you build a one-of-one masterpiece, the engineering itself is isolated from the manufactory. Think of it less like a you document the tangible precision of they try every Magnesium part and carbon confidence. This process is about isolating every unique modification, ensuring it runs perfectly. The final engine isn't just powerful, it's incredible mechanical sculpture and made into a custom shaft. It is relentless engineering validation, which
thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
High contrast, luminary lights. The camera captures the relentless pursuit of perfection as a quality master slowly scans the entire surface. They ensure the custom
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
The car accelerates hard on the dynamometer, screaming at 9,000 RPM. This is the ultimate validation, proving that isolated engineering creates an unrepeatable track masterpiece for the global collector. We'll watch the masterpiece reveal next.